Oi! Fuck off!
That's where you cocksuckers have been hiding. Been looking all over. Anyway, a lot of you guys have been asking, what happened to the 180, guys? Where's the 180? Is the 180 dicked? Did the 180 decease? You know? So, what happened to the 180 is the thing was absolutely cocked. It's ugly as shit. Dicked. The body was absolutely cockatude. So I fucking sold it. And guess who bought it? Motherfucking Nelson. Nelson Bartholomew bought the 180. Because he's trying to boost. You know? He wants to go fast. Who can blame the guy? So he sold his red Miata, bought the 180, and so it's kind of cool that it's staying within the fucking circle jerk of the buddies here. But yeah. Anyway, the thing's pretty cocked. I did some Inspector Gadget shit. Hold up. Okay, now that actually look like Sherlock Holmes in this bitch. So we did some Sherlock Holmes type stuff. Sniffed around, realized the front main seal's leaking like a fucking faucet. Shit's dripping wet. Okay? I'm talking like the bottom of the bag they put the 7-Eleven Tostitos in. Like that shit is oily as fuck. And so that's pretty much what's coming out of the bottom of the 180 as I deduced. Sherlock Holmes. So yeah, he's wanting to fix it. He's pretty cocked. Cockfucker, this lens is dirtier than fucking Rock Bay hookers. Anyway, sorry if the lens is dirty. It's fucking dustier than a fucking dingleberry on a Tuesday or something. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, Nelson bought the 180. I'm gonna go help him try to fix the front main seal. And then tomorrow, this video will come out in a couple days, we're going to put the 180 on some coils. Nelson hopped on the old Facebook and Sherlock Holmes out some used coils, $300. One seized. I told him not to buy seized coils again because he did that on the Miata and it was a fucking nightmare. Oh, but he didn't listen. Anyway, we'll try to Yankee Doodle those in, slam it on his nuts. But yeah, first off, let's get this front main seal going. Got on shoes, man. Dick, that's right here in the future. Alright. Fuck, dude, that's clean as shit. Alright. Will the S13 start? Dicks crossed. Oh, she's fucking mint, boys. Check out this palm in the wheel. Oh, safeguard! Auto's so bunk. The fucking other way. Yeah, you see that? Fucking cock it back this way. Fucking 3-pointer. Oh, fuck. And again, I'm living life on the edge. Oh, the fucking post truck. We're getting her going. We're on the road again. I just can't wait to be on the road again. Oh, the fucking slammed car life struggle, brah. I'm so fucking loy. I'm so fucking loyal to the grind. Holy shit. I scribe so much. Oh, there's no bitch scoping. Fuck you want, mama? Oh, here we go. Come to a stop and get her. Oh, whoops. Little skirt by accident. Sometimes you don't hear your own fucking power. This puppy pushes out probably 120 horsepowers. Holy fucking shit, them coils are stiffer than my cock. No, I'm annoying. I'm a dab, but I'm annoying. Fuck, man. The shit I gotta deal with. Here. Primo merchandise. Dude. No, fuck off. Sorry, Joel. The fucking glovies too.
Oh yeah, man.
Oh, you're using air freshener.
Oh, dude, sweet. This one, dude. Thanks, man.
No worries, dude.
Hello guys, it's Milkman here. Sold the Miata. I'm not a hairdresser anymore. I'm bald now, and got the 180. Got Adam's 180. Replacing the front main seal. But yeah. So what I've done so far is just took off the intercooler piping, the cold side. Just on some lines. Took the fan off. This bolt under here is so hard. Thanks a lot, Nissan. Come on,
guys.
Come on. Thanks, engineers. And then now we're gonna.
We were almost engineers, man.
Yeah.
Those are the days.
Yeah, but we would have been cool engineers, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. But like engineers, they were like, oof.
Yeah. Good thing we failed.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we'd be miserable right now.
I mean, now I'm in automotive, so I'm happy living life.
Yeah.
I got some new belts also because like, dude, these belts are more dick than like I don't know, Kim Jong-un coming back, beating the goon leg.
Dude, he actually clutched
Yeah,
up
he
the
actually
gulag.
beat the goon leg. Yeah.
Good on him.
Yeah, good job. He did parachutes down North Korea.
Yeah.
Cuts the ribbon. He's like,
Yeah, actually pulls up with the RPG.
yeah. So give a comment if you use the RPG as your secondary on Warzone. Best secondary.
Yeah, you have to use the RPG. When you're dropping in on plunder, you're doing goddamn
just-
aerial strike. Yeah.
And then like you kill them and you hear them like after you kill them they're like.
Yeah. Using overkill and having a fucking primary as your secondary is just it's a pussy move, eh?
Dude, what I might do, honestly, because we're used to getting new belts, might just circ the belts off.
Dude, obviously, circle.
Yeah.
Hopefully those other ones are the right size.
Oh no, well, I mean, they're from Platform Garage, so shout out Platform Garage.
Dude,
for all
no.
the stuff.
Joel, you owe us $6 for that plug. I know you're watching this. Oh, a sticker on the rad too. Cover that up. I'm paying $6 for the advertisements.
Man. Oh yeah.
Dude, those were taut.
Oh. Dude, like this one's like chunking out, like holy.
Yeah, those are absolutely dickered. Looks like Joe Exotic's boyfriend's mouth, missing teeth here.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I like the redneck guy.
Yeah.
I started watching Tiger King actually.
Oh, that's
I'm
good.
on like episode like 4.
Oh yeah. Well, I think the reason why Joe Exotic went after guys with no teeth was for the primo sloppy toppy, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Think about it.
Yeah, yeah, that's like
straight
big
gum in
gums. Yeah, ooh.
I don't know if you can put. Alright, fuck.
Man, who is the owner before you on this car?
What?
Who is the owner? Dude,
Dude, some idiot in Alberta.
they blocked off that, and
know.
like I don't know what this line is, but like they've blocked this line off. I just found
Dude,
out.
I know that guy was dense with an old growth cedar, man. I told you this car's blown. Don't buy it. You were like, ooh.
Man, but like it's decent. Like could that be a blown turbo?
I don't know, man. The turbo's over goddamn.
Yeah, but like the turbo's over there, and it goes.
Okay, sorry if this lighting's really bad. It's really bright outside. Alright, so Nelson took off the clutch fan, took off the belt. Now we got to take off this 27mm bolt on the main crank pulley here, because behind that is the goddamn busted ass main seal.
Yeah, here's the. I just shown the new seal. See, this is the new seal going in. Oh, here's the new seal. So this seal is just back here behind that, and just
Crank pulley.
Yeah, down the crank pulley. So we need to get this whole thing off.
Yeah, it's gonna be
No, but like.
Man, how did you pass year 1 tech?
No, because I thought like alternators like they just like suck in there from the carburetor. I mean, no, alternators like.
Are you okay?
Okay, fine. I'll shut up.
What do you, man? How are you first year tech?
No, because I thought I heard somewhere that like carburetor cars don't
Need
never mind.
bolts?
To like run, but they need it to like fucking use the battery for everything.
Man, you're cooked. I'm scared. Oh, I think I did it, man.
Really?
Wait, can I do it one more time? Oh, dude, that busted it.
Really?
Okay, for everyone who saw that,
Oh
if you
man!
can't get your crank pulley off,
Shout out Scotty.
yeah, Scotty
Holy
Kilmer is
Man, it did it! Oh,
worked.
how are we gonna torque this down though? Oh man. Man,
What?
this thing's too small.
Puller?
Yeah.
Looks like your own first pulley, hey?
Did you just go between the block and the
Maybe against the water pump?
water pump? Yeah.
That's steel.
Yeah. Oh.
Alright, man. I'm over prying this. I don't think it's gonna work.
Man, step aside. I got this. Someone
Man.
saw Scotty Gilmore video. Jackie Gilmore, you know? That's what he did. Shut up.
Dude, what the fuck?
Man, just trust me.
Here, here.
Get this fish lined in there.
All right.
Hook it on it.
Okay.
Here, and then I'll go down here and just gotta hook it onto the crank, you know. And then do some whoopie doing, you know. Just gotta pray to the gods. Maybe pray to the gods your dick cheese doesn't affect you, you know.
Yeah.
Get some tension on that
Here.
bad boy.
I'll hold the tension.
Okay.
All right.
And then you just gotta throw that sucker in there, you know. Oh. You got a big one, man. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh, man.
Oh, dude.
We got it.
Oh.
Dude,
why
take
do
a picture.
Okay. Wait. Sick,
Yeah,
dude.
sick. Just gonna go to the fish Facebook place market.
Dude, yeah. Sick.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Fishing rods. Take out.
Yeah,
Craig.
dude. Fish.
Craig
Yeah.
pulleys. Yeah.
Thanks, Scotty Kilmer.
Thanks, Craig Kilmer. Thanks.
Chris Fix.
Red on your fish rods. So after catching that good old 20-pounder salmon right there, you know. Now we gotta take out this old seal. No, you're supposed to use a pick, but we don't use tools that moist, boys.
Yeah.
Come on.
Wrong tool or no tool?
Yeah. So we got 2 channel locks, you know. Blue handles, as what every kid calls them, and your dad gets mad at you.
Fucking idiot.
Was that like you know? Like, my dad would be wrenching, and I'm like, oh, I need a hand. He's like, yeah, pass me the channel lock. I'm like, was that the blue handle? He was like, channel lock!
No, my dad hooked me beat too many beatings, so I was being studious, so I didn't get the beatings.
Oh, man, lucky.
Yeah.
Man, these things too fat.
Just get like a screwdriver.
Or,
What were we trying to do with channel locks? That doesn't make sense.
we're gonna go around it, and then,
Yeah, fair enough. Oh,
look at that! Just douse this thing in brake cleans.
get some of that oil off.
Mm-hmm.
Get it in
You guys
there.
pretty oiled up. So it's this side in. Okay.
Is that lined up on the keyway?
Yeah, it feels like it.
Oh yeah, it's Samoan on.
Good.
Yeah, it's sliding on real nice.
This guy's back.
Yeah, those are hates you for no reason.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so you put your fucking bolt back on, remember your fucking washer, and then we're gonna torque her to 69 foot-pounds.
That's like 101, 104, something like that. I mean, you can check the one like little blog thing. So now we gotta just torque that sucker up to 112 foot-pounds. Apparently, this guy on the forum said you have to lube up the bolt before you put it in.
But he doesn't know shit,
Yeah.
eh?
Oh, are you serious?
Okay, dude, it's tight enough, let's be real. 112 foot-pounds. Probably got like 6 foot-pounds on there now.
So
Ready,
put the car in gear.
Get this stance going too. What the hell, man?
Man,
Absolutely.
man, no. But I guess I'd put the back into it.
Yeah, throw your back out into it. Okay, so next step,
Put the belts on.
throw the water pump pulley on. Get all the belts on. Get the,
That's the old belt.
yeah, I'm trying to pull it out. Get the intercooler piping back on.
Mm-hmm. And you're done, man.
You're done.
So, I mean, shout out Platform Garage for the belts also.
Dude, enough with the platform garage. Joel, that's another $12 for us.
So my good buddy Joe from Platform.
Dude, shut the hell up. Cover this shit up, please. Joel, is this like $17 at this point?
I have diabetes, so I can make that joke.
Alright, power steering belt is on. Nelson's just going to tighten it up. We're going to throw on the water pump and alt belt after. Throw on the fan too. Get her going. Then intercooler piping, and she's done. This is like the main problem with this car.
What do you mean?
This like the main issue that this car had was like that.
The belt?
Yeah.
Or the crank seal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Front main seal.
Yeah.
So yeah, that'll be nice to get that fixed. So it doesn't leak oil like a mother bitch anymore. It's possessed, man. Oh, why does it keep going the wrong way? Oh!
I love alternators.
Screw alternators, dude.
Oh, yo, dude.
Oh, did it?
Look down.
You can get it on?
I moved it down. I think I have to move it up. Yeah, I have to move it up. Crap.
Oh! I just got shocked. Both belts are on. Power steering one and the alt one. And then all we gotta do is chuck the fan on. And it's done. Yeah. Fan on. Fucking fan on.
Put the fan on now. Okay, that's on tight mode. Invest in some ratcheting wrenches, dude.
Yeah.
So nice.
Major key alert.
Man!
When I throw it back.
Ow, that hurt.
Is it fat enough?
Oh, that hurt. Ow, stop! Man. I'll kill you. I'll cough on you, man.
Jesus. That's the fan's on, all the belts are on. The last thing we need to do is the intercooler piping from here that goes across.
Just toss it.
Dude, have some respect.
Oh, dude, it's seriously
man.
cool freeze frame. Like, we just toss it, the node just edits it, it's like, whoosh, and it's in. Toss it. Oh, there we go. That's in there. Whoa,
You guys
whoa,
see
whoa,
that kid? What's that kid doing over there, man? See over there?
Oh, what the? Oh, man.
That's kind of weird.
But yeah, that's another video. I saw I do a front main seat with no tools. So
With all the wrong tools.
all the wrong tools.
But then again, that's the only way we do it. Wrong tool or no tool.
So should we start the car and record the main seal? Make sure it doesn't.
Maybe, yeah. I'm kind of worried.
We put it in backwards. Oh, the battery's drained.
Really?
Yeah, I'm turning the key.
That sucks.
Whoopsie.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go home now because I'm over it. Okay, I gotta go.
Well, I guess what do.
Alright,
So, yeah,
well, we
thanks for the
tried.
help, man.
Yeah, no
So,
worries.
should I e-transfer you the $1,000 because I'm paying you guys to film with me? Cause
Yeah.
Cause I'm hurting so much for you guys to film with me. So like, should I e-transfer you the money?
No, okay. Anyway, so yeah, here's the 180. Nelson has it. It's
Yeah.
in somewhat good hands. Oh, what are
Well,
your
like-
plans with this car? What are you gonna do?
Well, I got some coilovers tomorrow.
Yeah, video coming soon, so make
yeah.
sure you subscribe.
In about 2 months, I'm gonna buy those wheels when I save up the money for them. Cause I got like no money right now. And
Yeah, Nelson's gonna buy my old long champs.
Gonna throw those on this. And the Garage Tenoshi container shipment, there's a little wing I'm gonna buy from them.
Yeah.
And then if you watch more skids, DJ has like the front lip. I'm gonna buy that same front lip from eBay. So that front lip, the spoiler, slam it,
You want to clean up the paint and stuff too,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Well, I have 2 months to do all that.
Yeah.
To look at the wheels. Skidoo!